We're also seeing it in the increasing popularity of some of India's ancient sports, kabaddi and coco, tag games, which are gaining momentum globally. A piece of, a piece of information you may not be aware of is that in the Australian capital of Canberra we had a kabaddi cup just a few months ago. Now you all know this, but just to emphasise, sport is a really tangible and enduring expression of connection and our people-to-people connection. And sports foster unity, foster respect, shared achievement, and drives social inclusion and, of course, economic growth. It can also be a powerful tool for gender equality, creating safe spaces for women and girls and providing role models for the next generation. It can advance disability, equality and rights, which is central to our international engagement. I'm the Foreign Minister, who's obviously struggling with the air here. Thank you very much.